Maobserbahan niyo po sa Biblia, mga kapatid, ang dami-daming mga ironies at mga kabaligtaran. Isa na dito yung binanggit ng Proverbs 11:24. Meron daw mga taong sobrang palabigay, pero lalo namang nagkakaroon. At meron naman ang dadamot, lalo namang nawawalan. Kaya napakahalaga na sinusunod natin yung katuruan to be generous, to give when we are able. At bakit po natin ito pinag-uusapan, mga kapatid? Una, dahil talagang foundational to spirituality yung giving. For God so loved that He gave. Yan ang isa sa mga definition ng loving, giving. Sabi nga nila, you can give without loving, but you cannot love without giving. Minsan gasgas na yan, quotation na yan, pero totoo. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihing nagmamahal ka pero wala kang binibigay. Sapagat ang tunay na pagmamahal ay naipapahayag sa pagbibigay. And love is not love until you give it away. The intention to give is not yet love. The act of giving is a definition of love. So one who gives friendship naturally begets friendship. And one who withholds friendship naturally loses it. In a manner of speaking, you keep only what you give away. And ironically, you lose what you selfishly keep.